Hey, Ginger. Ginger just got a new toy. Well, it's actually Ginger Snap. Do you like it? Oh, look at her. She is a young, beautiful female. She's got the white underneath with that really pretty tabby markings on top. She's got a lot of interesting like little spots and stuff. You could just look at her all day. And big, bright green eyes. And she's very loving. She loves everyone, right?
She does.
She sits up here at the front.
She loves that toy, too.
She's at the front desk here. This is where she was when I walked in, so she wants to hang out with people all the time. And actually last week when I saw her, I sat down and she jumped right in my lap. So if you want a lap cat, a loving cat, a beautiful cat, what are you looking at? Look at me. I know, well, you're beautiful too, Hank. Ginger, look at the camera. Isn't she pretty? She's such a love. She's still very thin. She came in as a stray, and she was very thin, and she's still pretty thin, so she needs to get fattened up. We need to fatten her up. Yes, we do. Oh, she's got a little pink nose. She's just adorable. I mean, she's the whole package. She gets along with the other cats. She's very loving. She's friendly. She's just beautiful. I mean, she's beautiful inside and out. Oh, but she's so skinny. Why are you so skinny? I think it's just because she has really long legs, too. Look how long her legs are. She could be a supermodel. She's thin, has long legs.
She could do the catwalk.
She could do the catwalk. Come here, Ginger, do the catwalk. Come here, there she goes. Oh, you're perfect. Oh, we'd love to find her a home. We'd love to find her a home. She's such a little doll. Come back over here. I know Hank's like, what about my video? Hey, oh, she just follows you wherever you go. She's just the kind of cat that if people want a cat that's going to be with them and hang out on the couch and watch TV with them, lay in bed with them, Ginger Snap is definitely the girl for you. Oh, he's jealous, the big guy here. He's jealous.
He demeaned it.
Yeah, okay. Well, come by and meet Ginger Snap. I think you'll definitely fall in love with her. She's just perfect. She is. Say goodbye. Come get me. Come get me. I love you forever and ever.